Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to purchase Robux on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving us a like. Let's get started. Robux is the official currency used within Roblox to buy various items. So if you're looking to make some purchases, you'll need to get some Robux. Let's walk through the steps to buy Robux together. First, navigate to the top right corner of the Roblox homepage and click on the Robux icon. This will take you to the purchase page where you can select how much Robux you want to buy. If you're a Robux Premium member, you'll have options to buy larger amounts at a better value. But for now, let's proceed with the standard 400 Robux package. The prices will be listed in your local currency. In my case, it's United States dollar. Once you've selected your package, simply click on it to proceed to payment. On the payment page, you'll see various options, like I'm choosing to pay with a debit card. Enter your payment details and then click Pay. The system will process your transaction and a message will confirm your purchase. It might take up to 5 minutes for your Robux to appear. And it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.